Black Friday 2018 is here, and as I said in an earlier video, we see some of the best deals on cameras, lenses, accessories that I've seen in years. But I want to highlight a couple of my quick favorite deals. But just a reminder that we're tracking all of the great deals at photorec.tv/BF2018. That link is right down below. It covers all of the Canon cameras, Sony, Fuji. We see deals across the board and some significant savings on those. I didn't mention this the other day with the Canon cameras though. They're throwing in 13 months of accident protection. So if you break your camera as a fault of your own, it's covered in that first year. That's not something that the warranty covers. That's breakage that's a responsibility of the manufacturer. But you drop it, you spill something on it, that's pretty impressive. And so that is a significant savings right there and a nice peace of mind as well. I also didn't mention the Nikon D750 sitting at its lowest price ever. It's still sitting there with those current discounts and is a fantastic budget full frame option. So those links are right down below. But a couple of my quick favorites, and one is the NixPlay. I covered this in my Christmas guide last year. I still love this digital photo frame, and I was reminded just how much I love it, honestly, about 15 minutes ago. Family that was visiting us has left. We had a couple of cute pictures of cousins together. My mom wasn't able to make it out to this coast this year, and we bought her one of these. I bought her one of these. No, I split it with my brother. We bought her one of these. I'm not sure if it was Mother's Day or her birthday. They're right around the same time. She's been really enjoying it. We set it up so that we can log in and send her pictures. But just the other day, I was notified that they now have Google Photos integration. Google Photos is my choice for kind of taking pictures and sharing them with friends and family. I have just got it running on my phone. The pictures that I took of the cousins were with my camera on my phone, Pixel 3. Good discount on this at Best Buy, by the way. No affiliate code link for that, but if you're looking for the Pixel 3, go check out Best Buy. So now all I have to do is I set up this album where it's sunk. So I've got this nice picture of the cousins right here, and I just go up here and tap Add to Album, and then tap for Barb's NixPlay. What was that, 2 taps and 3, and it's on my mom's phone, on my mom's frame. That's pretty slick. I love that. I love being able to so easily share those pictures and moments, and it does even handle video now as well. All of these are discounted today. Even without that discount, I think they're a good value. So I just wanted to highlight that again. If you're looking for a gift for the family, for somebody who's further away that's part of your family that you want to share pictures with easily, the NixPlay is an absolute awesome option in my opinion. Another great discount we have today is on the Nissi V5 Pro filter system. That is these two things together that sets you up for a holder for high quality glass. But at $99 currently for this V Pro system, it's almost half off. I think it's 40% off. And what I love about it is that it comes with a really high quality circular polarizer built in. So it comes with that. This is not a cheap piece of glass. This is a really nice filter, which many good quality circular polarizers cost more than $90. This is an 82 millimeter thread, so for that system. And then of course you get the holder that clips in, and then you can slide in the square pieces or rectangular pieces of glass like this ND6, which is really nice and high quality. And then of course you can also buy in and get things like the graduated filters. Honestly, I use these a lot less these days than I used to. With the Sony having such a nice dynamic range, I can typically get what I want in darkening the sky or brightening the landscape in a single shot or maybe a quick bracketed shot. And you know, that horizontal line of that graduated filter doesn't always line up so nice unless you live right by the seashore. But this system overall is extremely high quality, and getting these holder systems plus the circular polarizer for just 99 bucks is impressive. We also have deals on the Seagate hard drives today. Everything from a nice portable couple terabytes, like a 4 terabyte for 80 bucks, on up to a 12 terabyte hard drive. That's an external, sorry, no, that's an internal drive that you could throw in a case if you wanted. Or we have a nice cased 8 terabyte drive, and that thing is what, $129 for 8 terabytes of lovely, reliable backup storage. That's really quick look at what I wanted to highlight. as people have been doing, leave comments down below. What are you looking for? What do you think is one of the best values this holiday shopping season? Or are you opting outside? We're going to opt outside soon. But right now, I wanted to bring you some of the best deals. You can leave those comments right down below, or if you're struggling about making a decision, leave those down below too, and I'll be happy to try to help you and give you some suggestions. We'll be back soon with more tips, tricks, and reviews. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up button. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.